Hey, it's Living with Shanda. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'm just coming out of a cold, so I'm going to be sipping on my tea so that it keeps my voice, because my voice is not good now, so please bear with me. But I had to shoot this video. Today's video, as you saw in the title, I'm going to be showing you how I put together my groomsmen box proposals. If you're engaged, congratulations, and I'm excited for you. I'm happy for you, and I hope that this process is a little bit smoother for you, and I hope that the information I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is going to be helpful to you. If you're planning to ask your groommen or your bridesmaids to be in your wedding and you're looking for a way to do that, hopefully these ideas are going to be great for you. It's Sunday morning, and our groommen and bridesmaids, for those who live in the state, are all going to be coming later today for a get-together. They don't know that we're going to be asking them to be in our wedding. I mean, some of them know that one day we're probably going to ask them, but I don't know we're actually going to be asking them this way. I'm literally sitting on the floor and I have these pillows behind me, but I want to be able to be close enough to the floor while I'm doing this, because if not, I have to put all these pieces on a table, and I don't have a table that huge to be working on apart from my dining table. So I am going to start. So let's get started. I got these name tags from the dollar store. I was not able to find one on Amazon that I liked. I'm gonna actually cut these to the shape I want. So the boys and the girls are gonna be using these. Next, I got these boxes from Amazon. It's a set of 12. I don't remember how much it is, but I'm going to link below this set of boxes. So I'm gonna go ahead, cut all my shapes for the boys and the girls. I'm also going to cut the wedding date on calendar.
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
I have cigars. So I got these flasks with their name on it on Amazon. I will also link below the person. I have an envelope here. This is for the pianist, and then this is all we have in there. I just realized that the boxes had these bottoms that I could put in to just give more support. I did not do that for the girls, so do that for the boys. I wasn't able to get socks that were the same color. I was able to get 2 of these and 2 of the black, the same style but different colors. So all the 4 groommen are gonna have this, and the best men are going to have these different. First, going to put the wedding month right there, the best man box right there, the sock on the left, and the cigar. So I have the wedding month here and the date is on the other side. I'm just going to place this cigar right there. That's it for the best man. So I'm going to put this, because this is the best man. It's not straight. Maybe I didn't get it straight. they also get the letter with just a small message in. So I'm just gonna write this best man. I'm just gonna put that in here. Oops. That is it. If you want, you can always have a different color for your best man. I know some people that do like a black for the best man and stuff like that if you want to. I didn't necessarily want to do that, so I know the contents are different. I didn't want to have to try to hunt down black boxes, so that's what we have for that best man. And we have the name right there, so you'll notice that the boxes look the same and the outside and all that, but the content are different. So for the boys, I'm not going to put the flower, just going to leave the boys simple like that. So that's one of the boys. I have a friend of mine who is a pianist, and I would love for him to sing my Walking Down the Aisle song. So I got this box from the dollar store yesterday, and I spray painted black. Doesn't have to be perfect, and all I'm going to do for him is I'm going to put just a few of these, just a little bit at the bottom. For he already knows, I've already said that before, but he's also going to be at a party, so I decided I should give him something. I'm also going to be giving him a pair of socks, and I'm going to place my wedding date there. I was not able to get a flask for him because as I was making them, they had only a set of 6, and then by the time it got here, I didn't have enough time to order another one. So I got him this perfume. I'm just going to add that there. Hopefully it closes. Perfect. So it's closed. So this is the difference between the men and the women's boxes. So the ladies have their letters slanted and they have this greenery there. The boys, they have the letters straight and they don't have the greenery. So that's the difference between the two. Okay guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this gave you inspiration on how you can set up your boxes for your groommen and your bridesmaids. You can also do this for like the flower girl, anyone else that you feel like should have one of these boxes. You can put that together for them, and if you don't, that's fine. Comment below which one of these you prefer. Did you like the bridesmaids more or the groommen more? Again, congratulations on your engagement, and I hope that you found these as great ideas to stay within your budget and do it yourself. I hope these were great DIYs for you and that you can put these together easily. Have fun on your wedding, and until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Did you read the message? What does it say on the box? Yeah.
Is this how they usually do it?
Africans be like, is this how they do it?
Honestly, like.
Yeah, he's asking you if you're going to be his groomman for the wedding.
Well, he got me on the spot. I can't say no, can I?
He asked, is that how they're supposed to do it?
But yeah, this is how they usually do it, though.
You don't have to. That's what we wanted to do.
God, no, because it's almost like somebody's asking me to get married to them. That's why I'm laughing.
Yes, we're asking you to be married. Oh my God.
Hey! Wait, what is it, Kevin? We are VIP.
Where's the danger?
You get your name on top. But if I drunk, then
Forever. Forever. I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?